Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about an exciting topic because we are talking about how to make some extra money, and that is creating some passive streams of income. Now, even if you're working a full-time job, this is possible. If you're transitioning to a new career, this is possible, because who doesn't need a little bit of extra money, especially in today's era, right? I'm sure you need a little bit more money. So let's talk about how you can create some passive income streams while you're still working your current job. So the first passive income stream we're going to talk about is real estate investing. Yes, real estate investing is a high return for passive income. Now, whether you have an extra room in your home for rental or you have an extra property, you can start your real estate investing journey. Now, this can be either rental or starting up an Airbnb business. So think about, look into your house. If you're not using a room, put it up, start an Airbnb, rent it out. If you're living in a neighborhood where there's a high need for rental to students, think about starting your real estate investing journey. Number two, and this is my favorite one because I mentioned it in all my videos, is to start your YouTube channel. Yes, YouTube channel is a passive income stream, because after spending that first set of time creating the video, finding the content, dressing up and getting yourself dolled up and all these things to create your YouTube videos, sharing your interests, your gifts, your passion, your knowledge on your YouTube channel. While you're sleeping, your YouTube channel is making money for you. Whether you are a professional, whether you are just interested in a topic, whether you're a creative, whether you're a stay-at-home mom, whatever niche it is, you can make an extra income stream passively via YouTube. So go and explore. I've done a video on how you can start your YouTube channel just using your phone, and I have all the equipment and tools that I use to run my YouTube video as a passive stream of income while I'm working full-time, so you can do that too. I will leave them in the description below. Number three is to create some online courses. Create those courses. Put in the time. Yes, with passive income streams, a lot of them require some investment of time or some investment of money in the beginning stage, right? So if you have some expertise, some knowledge, and you can create an online course for that knowledge that you have sitting in your head that can help somebody else to get by, that can solve that problem for that person, why not go ahead and sit down, create that online course and put it up on a platform? The platform that I would recommend for this online course is Teachable. Why? I've used Teachable also in the past. It's easy to handle, easy to work with, and I don't like platforms that have a whole lot of complication. Teachable is easy to use. I have a link. I'll put it below also for you to go and check that out while you're brainstorming what online course you can create. Is blogging. Do you have that special gift for writing? You are a writer. Yes, you love to write. Why not brain dump, put all those ideas in a profitable way so you can create some passive income stream? Whether you're a nurse, a doctor, a lawyer, a teacher, a life coach, a nutritionist, a fitness expert, whatever niche you're in the beauty industry, a content creator, whatever it is, there is an abundance of niches that you can find to start your blogging business while this is creating a passive stream of income for you. So think about how you can start your blogging business, because I know you like writing. You have all these journals and all these books filled with ideas. Why not put them out for others to see, to help solve their problem while you are just taking it at a leisurely, because that's your gift and expertise. Share it to the world, share it with somebody else. So many people are waiting for your blog, sis. Go ahead and start it up. So we have affiliate marketing, and this is one of my favorite ones also because it is so easy to start up. Yes, I know the investment and the money comes in, little at a time. But the more work you put in, the more return of investment you will see, especially when it comes on to Amazon affiliate marketing. Now, Amazon is one of the most popular ones that you can start creating your affiliate marketing website, your links, and all that. You can start with the affiliate marketing, on-site commission, being an associate. You can review videos. There are so many different ways that you can use Amazon to start your affiliate marketing. And not only Amazon, there are several other platforms, website, products, and services that I'm sure you are using those services, and I'm sure other people would want to use those services also, and you can get links, market, and promote other person's things. Right? For example, if you look down in my description here, you'll see all the different affiliate marketing programs that I promote here on YouTube. And with one of these passive income streams, they can multiply into multiple passive income streams. Because, for example, if you start your affiliate marketing business, you can plug them into your YouTube video, you can plug them into your blog, you can recommend them into your online courses that you have created, and so many other potentials. So think about the products, the services that you are using right now, and you can get a link to share to somebody else to start using right. So we have investing in dividend stocks, investing in bonds. There are so many potential for investing right now. And this is using money, yes, high-end finances, to get a return on that money. Why not make your money work for you, right? Passively while you're sleeping. So go and explore, research how you can start investing in stocks, in bonds, and all those other investing potentials that's out there right here on YouTube. We have drop shipping, yes, and drop shipping can be very lucrative, and it's quite easy. All you need to do is find the right products that people need, products that are selling. You link them to a website, you market, your promote, set it and forget it. Yes, for example, for t-shirts, I've done drop shipping in the past where I use Printful for my drop shipping business linked with Shopify. So if you're interested in t-shirt business, I've done a video on how to get started with your t-shirt business. I'll list it right here. You can check it out after watching this video. But if you want to get started in the t-shirt business, in mugs, in gift items, there are so many different niches that you can branch off into using drop shipping services. Now, Printful has a wide variety of products that you can use, put your logos, put your designs on, and promote them, marketing, and sell them. Set it and forget it. Now, let me know which one of these passive income streams you are interested in starting up, and let me know which ones you want further information on below. Thank you so much for sticking around, and check out this playlist here where I've created so many different side hustles that you can start. You have no excuse, even if you're working a full-time job or even if you're transitioning into a new career. Thank you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.